G'day. Now, I'm not sure whether I've actually got any footage of these guys before. This is the other type of Corella. This is the Long Billed Corella. You see that really long top mandible? I'm getting bombarded here. They are tearing the little conifers, these things, off this tree, getting stuck into them. They're all over the path here. Hundreds and thousands of them. But yeah, you can see I would say the male have got that really nice pink flush on the chest. There, where's one? There you go. Look, I love how they use they're always left-handed, these guys. Did you know that? You do now. They always eat with their left foot, left hand. The other Corella has a little crest and just a normal sort of parrot beak. There's beautiful pink flush on there. Could be breeding plumage, although it's a little late in the season for that. I haven't really had any time. You can see the pink on their back as well, the back of their neck. Awesome. The traffic doesn't seem to bother them. They're all up there too. Yeah, see, I think it's the males that have the pink. There's a lot of them without it. That one there, for instance, doesn't have it. It's either a juvenile or a female. But yes, you can see why they're called long-billed Corellas, can't you? Yeah, cool. See ya.